Hey. So today we're going to do a quick smoothie. Now it's going to have coconut milk in it. Now I've never ever drank coconut milk. Yes, believe it or not. But we're going to do a quick smoothie. We're going to whip up real quick. And I have Matthias with me today. And Makai is over here doing something. So let's get to it. So first the spinach is already in. So we have spinach in here. And we're going to add blueberries. So Matthias is going to add the blueberries. Pour it in here, Matthias. He's going to pour the blueberries in. All right. Then we have frozen pineapples. So he's going to pour the pineapples in. Pour it all in. Get it? Alright. So now let's get to the coconut milk. So we're going to pour a little coconut milk in here. Not a lot. Okay. That's it. So we're going to see how that works. Let's get the top on our blender. And we're going to place this on top. So I'm going to start off probably on low. Let me move this so y'all can see. Here it is. I'm sorry, my thighs covering your face up. But we're going to get this going. So let's go. Alright, so this is done. So we're going to pour it in the cup. And Matthias is going to let us know what it tastes like. Here it is. Don't have any straws. So test it out. Let the people know what it tastes like. How does it taste?
Smooth.
It tastes smooth. You like it? So you gonna give it a thumbs up? Okay, give them a thumbs up. Tell everybody bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.